Hey guys, welcome back to Slime Time. Today we're trying a new game here in Slime Time. And here to be our very first contestants to play this game are Donna Hayward and James Hurley. Come on out. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thanks, guy.
So how do we play the new game?
It's very simple. You see, the two of you work together to answer a series of questions. And if you get all the questions right, you get to split a prize of $10,000.
Oh, boy!
But if at any time either of you misses a question, you lose the money and you both get slimed.
Bummer.
So what are these buckets for?
I'm glad you asked. If at any time one of you decides to bail on the game, you can walk away with $1,000. All you have to do is slime your partner.
You know how to slime this guy? I don't have to worry about missing any questions. And I get $1,000.
Exactly.
Why is it cold?
Is that cheese?
Okay, that's good. All right, I think he got it. Okay.
It looks like cheese.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that, but not to worry, James.
Try it.
We have a new partner for you. Let's say hello to Larry Jacoby.
Hi, Larry.
Larry, here's how we play the game. The two of you will work together to answer a series of questions. If you get them all right, you win $10,000. You split a $10,000 prize. But if you miss one question, not only do you lose the money, you both get slimed.
Got it.
And if at any time one of you decides to bail on the game, all you have to do is slime your partner and walk away with $1,000.
Good trick.
I almost can't deal with it.
Okay.
All right.
I'm keeping it with me.
Wow.
Good job on that.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Trap it in your hat.
I can't believe it happened again. But I would have thought, who would have thought that two people in a row would choose to slime you?
Well, it's just like my Sunday school teacher says, people will slime you because people are sinners. There's only one person we can always count on, and that's Jesus.
Well, why don't you bring him on to play the game with you?
Well, Jesus is God's son. He's kind of busy preparing heaven for me and everyone who believes in him.
Well then, let's get another partner out here for you. Say hello to Teresa Banks.
Why is it cold?
I have a question. Did I get scammed?
Thank you. And good night.
Why is it cold?
Hey, I have a question, Tim. Did I get scammed? I don't have my $1,000.
Why is it so cold?
You know, I think this might be the last time we play this game.
You think